Hello, my good friend. How are you? Hope you're keeping well. It feels so good to see you here again on Jerry Viwe Enterprises YouTube channel, which is your #1 home of projects. My name is Njeri Mbogwa and I am your project planner and manager. I am driven by honesty, competency, and integrity. As you continue learning from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also remember to like it, share it, and comment on it. On today's video, I will walk you through the process of building a house from beginning to the end. The first step to a successful construction project, it is to have a thorough understanding of fundamentals of construction. Apart from time, effort, and money spent on the building, the goal of the construction and its utilization should be carefully considered. The building steps are divided into two phases, which are pre-construction and construction phase. In the pre-construction side, we have the building plan, budget estimation, land acquisition, and documentation. Now, in the building plan, it is critical to write up a strategy for your structure before you begin construction. It assists you in anticipating the features and functionalities of the many aspects of the construction process. Architects, civil engineers, electricians, plumbers, and project managers are all vital to the success of a construction project. The second in the pre-construction phase is the budget estimation. Following the completion of the planning phase, the specifics are submitted to a building estimator who will conduct a survey and estimate the cost of the materials, machinery, and labor required to execute the project. If financial capability is limited at this point, it is advisable that you do not proceed, or else seek loan from financial institution. Otherwise, you can find yourself in a financial predicament. The third phase in pre-construction is land acquisition. Obtaining a parcel of land is also a necessary component in constructing a structure. It is critical to consider a variety of aspects like building size, location, among others. Kindly check on my previous videos the legal process of buying land in Kenya. The final phase in pre-construction is the documentation. Thousands of structures are demolished every day owing to the lack of paperwork and documents to prove ownership. To avoid situations like this, acquire authorization from the authorities and register before starting a construction project. Kindly refer to my previous videos, the 4 compulsory construction approvals in Kenya. In the construction phase, there are 11 steps. The first one is the site cleaning. Trees, plants, and debris are common on abandoned lands. The first step is to remove any item that may block the construction process. The second step in construction phase is the foundation. The foundation is the most important section of the building's structure because the rest of the structure is dependent on it for stability. If the foundation is weak, the building will eventually collapse regardless of the quantity and quality of materials used to construct it. Construction engineers put up their best efforts in terms of both materials and human resources to ensure that the foundation is fully reinforced. The third step in construction phase is the plinth beam and slab. Plinth beams and slabs are used to reinforce the foundation in order to keep it dry and prevent fractures from spreading to the walls. It greatly contributes to the stability of the foundation. The fourth step in construction phase is the superstructure. The beam and slab are both supported by a superstructure. The column designed to strengthen the load put on a building's foundation is a member of a superstructure. The fifth step in construction phase is bricklaying. Different types of blocks or bricks are used to construct the building walls depending on the owner's preference. The cement mortar mixer is used to combine cement and sand to hold the bricks together. The sixth step in construction phase is the lintel. The lintel is built on the top of the wall once it has been constructed. It is a beam that spans the aperture of a door or a window. It serves as a support of the structure that sits on top of it. The seventh step in construction phase is roof coating. The roofing structure is the load that the lintel sustains. Various types of roofing materials can enhance the aesthetics of your property. Kindly check on my previous videos the 5 major types of roofs. The eighth step in construction phase is electrical and plumbing. Wires and pipelines in modern homes are hidden from view. This is due to the fact that they were put at this stage of the construction and hidden between the walls and the slabs, with only the pipes and sockets endpoints visible. The ninth step in construction phase is the exterior and interior finishing. After the electrical and plumbing work is completed, the plastering process begins. Plastering can strengthen a structure, protect it from elements, and improves its appearance. Experts carry out the interior design following the architect's instructions. The 10th step in construction phase is flooring. The building project is nearing completion at this time. There are numerous types of flooring based on the intended function, cost, and the level of finishing. Kindly check on my previous videos the 5 things to consider when selecting flooring types for your home. The last step in construction phase is painting. Its purpose is beautifying the structure while also protecting it from the impact of the sun and water. Because latex paints are highly water resistant, they are popular for painting external walls. To summarize, building a structure is a significant and a long-term investment. This guide has given you some insight into the process of constructing a structure. Kindly remember that you can reach out to VWave Enterprises, where my team and I can help you with a seamless construction. Hope you found this video helpful. Kindly remember to like it, share it, and comment on it. Till next week, have yourself a wonderful